In this video, I will show you how to use incognito mode on YouTube so you can watch videos privately without affecting your history or recommendations. So here we are on YouTube. Now I'm currently using Google Chrome to do this, but these steps should be very similar if you do prefer to use a different browser, maybe like Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. However, to do this on Google Chrome, all you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots, and on this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option which says New Incognito Window. There's also a shortcut key for this, which is Control, Shift and N on your keyboard, but what you're going to want to do is give that a click. And as you can see, we're going to get a incognito window pop up. What we can then do is come across to youtube.com. So you just want to enter that into here. What it's going to do is take you to a fresh incognito version of YouTube. So of course you would just accept the initial terms and things like that. And then what you can do is start using YouTube in incognito mode. So that is how to use incognito mode on YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.